Vanakkam, good morning. In this video, we are going to discuss about the MCQ. In this MCQ was asked in the Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University Physiology question paper. MCQ question is the hypothalamic nucleus that control food intake called as feeding center is option A lateral hypothalamus, option B posterior hypothalamus, option C anterior hypothalamus, option D ventromedial hypothalamus. So this is the diagram of the hypothalamic nuclei. Okay, so this is the anterior nucleus and this is the posterior nucleus. This is the ventromedial nucleus. The lateral to the posterior nucleus is the lateral nucleus. In the four nucleus, feeding center, where is the feeding center? Okay, so the anterior hypothalamus, posterior hypothalamus, both are important for the temperature regulation. The anterior hypothalamus important for the promote the heat loss, posterior hypothalamus promote the heat production. Okay, so the ventromedian nucleus is important for the satiety center. Satiety means it stopped enough when we are eating the food, it will feel the sensation of the enough is called as the satiety center. So ventromedian nucleus is important for the stop the food intake. Okay, so this is the satiety center. Feeding center is the lateral hypothalamus. The correct answer is the lateral hypothalamus is the feeding center. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, press the like button and share your friends.